What's up, YouTube? So, I haven't done like any kind of garage related videos lately. It's just all been like riding videos and stuff. So yeah, here's a cr125 right here. You got the Pro Circuit Platinum pipe on there, and it was really dented, but we got all the dents out, and it works really good, and it looks good. But then we have an FMF silencer on it. So, I mean, it's just kind of like two brands, you know. I got a Pro Circuit shirt on, so, you know, that's cool. But, I, it's a Pro Circuit and an FMF, you know. I've always been like an FMF kind of guy, so, um, here we are. Brand new FMF Gold Series Fatty. The cr125. Wait a minute. A Pro Circuit shirt and an FMF pipe. Ugh. There, that's better. So yeah, got a new FMF Gold Series Fatty pipe. So yeah, brand new. Got the ting and everything. So yeah, I'll have to put it on, and yeah, go ahead and put that on right now. So yeah, got the new FMF Fatty pipe on there. What do you think? Looks good? Yeah, looks good. Nice and shiny. So now we got the full FMF system going. So that's pretty cool. Everything fit like it should. Installation was really easy. Took like 10 minutes. So yeah, pretty easy. So yeah, looks good. next video I have to go test it out. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video.